That's not nice. Here he comes. Here he comes. What you do? Is Sarah a bridge? Is Sarah the bridge? See Sarah laying up there? Go crawl under. You guys are goofy. You're silly. Go on. Go crawl under the bridge, Colin. Go under the bridge, Colin. Go on. Go climb under the bridge. Whoa, don't bump me. No, you don't want to?
I see. I see. I see. I see. I see.
Colin. What are you saying? Oh, is that what he's saying? Colin? Colin. Okay, we know your name.
Chuck.
Who could say, hi, Grandma?
Good.
Oh, that's not Grandma. That's not Grandma. How about you, Sarah?
Grandma.
Say, Grandma Judy.
Grandma, I see a
I love you.
tree. I see a bubble tree.
You want to say it? Say, hi, Grandma Judy.
I see.
You can't see Grandma. She's not here.
Helen.
Quit pulling on it. Can you say it, Sarah?
Helen.
Oh, you're going to say Kylie? Say, hi, Marianne. Say it.
Hi, Mama. Hey, Mary.
Can you blow Grandma a kiss? Booger nose? Oh, good. Can you blow Grandma a kiss? Say, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Sarah, say bye-bye.
Nobody.
No.
No.